Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your HONOR Magic4 Pro. First of all, need to find and open your gallery, not Google Photo, not this application, only standard application on this phone, gallery. So open it. Now, second step, it's select, press and hold to select, and for example select all these photos. And now for hide these photos, tap more on the bottom right corner and choose hide. Now we got message hide all items, confirm or not. To view hidden items, go to album tab, touch more icon, 3 dots in the top right corner, and then touch hidden items. Okay, so hide all, tap OK. Now go into our album, update. Okay, so now to open this hide photos, need to tap here on the top right corner on 3 dots and open hidden items. And here we got all our 4 photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.